Is your Garmin Forerunner 745 not updating your VO2 Max or syncing your training data? You're not alone. Released in 2020, this popular multi-sport watch sometimes faces these issues. This video will walk you through common causes and fixes to get your data flowing smoothly again as of April 5th, 2026. While the watch is no longer Garmin's flagship model, it is still supported by bug fix updates through 2025. The issue is not widespread, but affects about 10 to 15% of active users as of 2025. VO2 Max measures the maximum amount of oxygen your body uses during intense exercise, serving as a key indicator of aerobic fitness. The Forerunner 745 estimates this value using heart rate data, running dynamics like cadence and stride length, along with user inputs such as age and weight. Training Sync involves transferring your workout data from the watch to the Garmin Connect app, where you can view historical trends and training insights. However, sync issues can occur due to software bugs, poor connectivity, or data corruption. To get accurate VO2 Max readings, you need a qualification run lasting 10 to 20 minutes, though environmental factors like altitude can influence the data. The first step in troubleshooting your Garmin Forerunner 745 VO2 Max update issue is to check for recent updates. Ensure your watch has the latest firmware version 18.35 as of March 2026. Garmin fixed sync and VO2 Max calculation glitches in the 18.25 update from August 2024. Outdated software is often the main cause of these problems. Also, make sure your Garmin Connect app is updated. To update, connect your watch to your computer via USB using Garmin Express, or sync through the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. If issues continue, proceed to the next troubleshooting steps. First, try a soft reset on your Garmin Forerunner 745. Hold the power button until the watch turns off completely, then press it again to turn it back on. This simple step often clears temporary software glitches that could be preventing your VO2 Max from updating. Next, reinstall the Garmin Connect app on your phone. First, delete the app completely from your device. Then, restart your phone to clear any background processes. After that, download the latest version from your App Store, either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Finally, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection before attempting to sync your watch again. The third step involves performing a force sync through your watch's settings menu. This manual action can resolve many sync issues. Make sure your Garmin Connect app is updated to the latest version, as outdated apps often cause syncing problems. Ensure you have a stable data connection, whether through Wi-Fi or mobile data, as connectivity problems are a common cause of syncing failures. Confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that your watch is properly paired with it. If needed, forget the device in your Bluetooth settings and then repair it to establish a fresh connection. If basic troubleshooting steps haven't resolved your Garmin Forerunner 745 VO2 Max or sync issues, a factory reset may be necessary. However, this should only be used as a last resort because it will permanently erase all your data, including activities, settings, and music. First, back up all your important data. Sync your watch to the Garmin Connect app to ensure all activities, settings, and metrics are safely stored in the cloud before proceeding. Next, navigate to your watch's settings menu to locate the factory reset option. This is typically found under System Settings and will confirm that it will restore default settings and clear all data. After the reset completes, you'll need to set up your watch from scratch, including pairing it with your phone and Garmin Connect. Most importantly, make sure Auto Sync is enabled in the watch settings to prevent future sync issues. Remember that VO2 Max estimates have a margin of error of 5 to 10% compared to lab tests. Experts recommend verifying with periodic lab tests if updates lag. Fitness technology experts generally praise Garmin's VO2 Max accuracy as 85% reliable, but note that sync issues are a common pain point. Be sure the watch is worn correctly during runs. Fitness wearables are evolving towards AI-driven personalization. This means smarter training recommendations based on your data patterns. Expect seamless cross-device sync via 5G, allowing instant data transfer between your watch and phone. Integration with other apps like Strava or Training Peaks will provide real-time data sharing and insights. If problems persist despite troubleshooting, consider upgrading to a newer Garmin model for improved sync stability and newer features. Older models like the 745 may be phased out in favor of eco-friendly successors with better battery life and sustainable materials.